Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, in our last lecture, we discussed the valence concept and learn how atoms follow the octet and oblate rules to achieve stability. But today, we step into the heart of chemistry, the magical forces that hold atoms together and form everything around us, from the air we breathe to the water we drink to the proteins in our bodies. Yes, my dear student, today's topic is chemical bond and also taps. So sit tight because by the end of these lectures, you will know exactly why atoms hold hands and how different types of holding hands exist in the microscopic world. So, my dear student, what is chemical bond? Chemical bonds, my dear student, a chemical bond is a force of attraction between atoms that holds them together in a stable arrangement to form molecules or compounds. My dear student, why do they form? Because to achieve stability, to lower their potential energy, to complete their outermost shell according to octet or doublate rules. My dear student, to complete their outermost shell according to octet or doublate rule, as think of atoms as lonely people at a party. My dear student, like of this as a think of atoms as lonely people at a party. They want to find a partner so they feel stable and complete. Just like atom sure loss or gain electrons to feel happy. Example, NaCl sodium gives away one electrons, chlorine accepts it, and they form strong ionic bond. Now, types of bond. My dear student, there are four main types of chemical bonds. The first one is ionic bond or electrovalent bond. My dear student, a bond formed when one atom transfer electron to another, creating oppositely charged ions that attract each other. Key points of ionic bonds occur between metals and nonmetals. Metal loss electrons from positive ions, non-metal gains electron from negative ions. Strong electrostatic force hold them together. Examples: reaction of ionic bonds. Sodium lost one electrons and form a positive ion, while chlorine accepts electron and forms negative ions. Then sodium positive and chlorine negative attract and combines to form NaCl through ionic bond. And the second one is covalent bond. A bond formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. Key points of covalent bond. When it is studying, it occurs between nonmetals, can be single, double, or triple bonds depending on number of shared pairs. Sharing helps both atoms complete their octet or doublet. Example: H plus H, you have H2 single bond. O plus O, you have O2 double bond. And the third one is coordinate covalent bond or additive bond. A bond where both shared electrons come from the same atom. Example: formation of ammonium ions NH3 plus H positive, gas NH4 positive. Here nitrogen need its lone pair to bond them and form coordinate covalent bond. And the fourth one, metallic bonds, a bond found in metals where metals atoms share a C of free moving electrons. Key points of metallic bond: electrons are delocalized, free to move through the metal's structure. This explains why metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Gives metals their malleability, means can be hammered into sheets, and ductility can be drawn into wires. Examples of metallic bond and copper: Cu. Positively charged metal ions are surrounded by a cloud of free electrons holding the structure together. But dear student, this is all about chemical bond and its types. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.